How do you balance social media and its powerful draw and still be present and engaged in your life? For me, social media has been a scary thing because me in the younger years couldn't handle it. I got too emotional and I let other people's opinions rule my experience. So I have stayed away from it for a long time while I cleaned my emotional baggage. Now, I also didn't want it to take over my experience. Today, I spend much of my energy focusing on letting go of my ego. I actively and aggressively practice releasing the ego's charge and staying present. It's serious work, but I don't want the ego to be the false idol that rules me. Instead, I choose to be fully guided, present, supported, and directed by God, and a vehicle for love in the process. So joining the world of social media has actually been a tough pill to swallow. It's pushing me out of my comfort zone and into a new territory. There are some raging egos on social media, so dancing with them is bound to kick up some dirt. Thankfully, I've got the tools now to face any raging egos that show up, whether it's mine or someone else's. I'm ready to face it. Why? Well, because of you. You are too important. If I choose to honor the fear of my ego or other egos, I lose the opportunity to be with you. And that's too high a cost to pay. You are worth me facing my fear so that I can encourage you to face yours. That's why I'm here. It's for you. So with that, give me your heart. I promise to be good to it. Click the heart below and follow me if you're a courageous leader who is ready to stop honoring fear, to start operating in the zone, and to step into your potential.